In the last video, we took a look at a systems dynamic chart of the force management and Army change management. We took a look at how Congress funds the Pentagon to raise, man, and equip, deploy, and sustain an Army in the field in a complex adaptive system. So how they established the Army Force Management School to train the technicians to run that system day to day. It takes 1,000 hours of training to make a DA staff officer at the journeyman level. We have 16 hours in the F100 lessons in CGSC to prepare operational career field Army officers to be able to manage Army change in the field. So in 16 hours, we cannot conduct a mini force management school, nor should we try. We're not trying to produce DA staff officers. We're trying to train and educate Army officers in how they interface with that change management system, and to equip them with some information about how their Army is operated, an operator's manual, if you will. To do that, we've got to use F100 16 hours as a way to provide a bridge between the technical specification of Army force management and change management in the field. Now, our instructors are by and large not technicians. They've had at most the 4-week Army Force Management School, which gives them an overview into the formal system. But what they have is a career's worth of practical experience, just like our student officers. They've been in the operational Army. They've worked various aspects of Army change management in the field. And what we have to do is put our emphasis on the officer's experience to connect to their emotional center. A way to do that is to focus on things that our officers wish they could change if they were king for a day, and show them how to convert that energy, that emotion of desired change, into infrastructure change in the Army way. So in our 16 hours, when we think about the Army change management, force management system, we can think of it in a couple different ways. We could teach in 16 hours the system as designed, or the system as it's actually operating, or the system as it is evolving and adapting in a world of complexity. We could be talking about how to improve it as it could be. We could talk about it on the values level as it should be. We have to have at least a baseline understanding of how the system actually is intended to work and is working, so that we can put potential changes into the right context. If all we focus on is how it might be operated, or how Army change management might be performed, but without informing them of the baseline knowledge, then we're doing the students a disservice. So by trying to focus on crucial aspects of the formal force management system, and showing where they have high payoff connections to the system as is and system as evolving, then we'll keep our focus at the proper level. Instructors do not try to maintain a technical orientation focusing on acronyms and detailed processes, but look just at the high payoff places where our desire to change interfaces with that formal Army system, and we'll be doing fine. Thanks for your attention.